Hi, we are the LAN team. Welcome behind the scenes.
LAN is the story of a man who becomes isolated by a thick fog and begins to doubt his own senses.
We wanted to express a metaphor for solitude and a quest for self-knowledge through the character. For that, we created a cold, contemplative mood and dense mist to isolate him.
During pre-production, we did numerous previses to confirm the feasibility of our shots and anticipate technical difficulties.
To detach our character, we put him in large fields at first, and then in a bewildering forest. We chose a forest in the Cévennes region of southern France, which corresponded closely to our concept art.
I organized the shooting over 3 days. We opted for rotoscopy on a dozen shots because the weather didn't permit us to use blue screens. In the end, we had 40 shots in natural light on 4 different sets.
To tickle people's curiosity, we started with a strange meeting between our character and a group of deer. I studied the anatomy of cervids to sculpt and groom a condensing 3D model using ZBrush and XGen.
We wanted the deer to look peaceful, so I created delicate and subtle movement to show their awareness but lack of fear.
The giant is a metaphor for nature above the laws of humankind. The challenge was achieving a massive yet believable scale. I used elements like vines to show the scale ratio so that the slow, heavy animation would seem logical.
The giants needed to appear dominant, yet majestic and enigmatic. Was he angry, afraid, rushed, ambivalent? This question guided my animation.
For the trees, I made photogrammetries of the trunks. Then I switched them on low-poly models with ZBrush and extended them with SpeedTree. Leaves can be heavy for the software. So, for the trees that were far from the camera, I used cards. Then, for the trees that was close, I created individual needles for a better aspect.
The misty forest shots were delicate and tricky to master. Determining the depth of the mist and when to stop the CG were key to providing a profound but realistic feeling.
For the music, we worked in collaboration with Yann Humbert and the Annecy Conservatory. Professional sound designers helped us to amplify the mood and lead the viewer to the climax.
The climax scene contains a big landslide. For this shot, I sculpted the mountain for the effects. Then I used camera mapping to assemble everything on Nuke, using projection to optimize time.
To have heavy fog but light scenes, we optimized using proxies and stock shots. To transcribe the weight and size of the falling rocks in the final sequence, I made fractures and constraint setups in Houdini.
I set up a lot of precomps on Nuke, especially for the mist, before rendering the CGA. For the compositing and color grading, I worked on achieving a realistic effect while remaining faithful to our artistic direction.
We hope you enjoyed getting sidetracked in the mist with us. Thank you for joining us on this excursion.